nail friends! Today's video is featuring some dips by Everly Nails dip powders, and I just love this company so much. Sadly, I made this entire wonderful video showing how I ordered the dips and how I unboxed the dips, and all of that footage somehow has been deleted and I cannot seem to recover it off my computer. I'm just so heartbroken about that. So Rebecca from Everly is super generous, and she is donating proceeds from some of her dips to things that she feels strongly about. For example, she has a dip called Boulder, and if you haven't heard about the shootings in Boulder a couple weeks ago, all the proceeds for the dip Boulder go towards the families of the victims. She also has one called 1 in 4, and that one is all about infant loss and miscarriage, things like that, and all the proceeds for those go towards families who have experienced miscarriage or infant loss. And yeah, so there's just amazing things that she does with the proceeds for some of her dips. So for today's mani, I chose to pull out 2 different dips. One is Jessa. Jessa is a dip that she actually sent me for free, and I was not expecting to love it as much as I do, and it just paired so beautifully with this other dip that I'm using called Moon Valley. And Moon Valley is such a neat dip because it has pieces of cherry blossoms in it, and they are just stunning in this white shimmery powder. It's almost like the perfect milk bath, and I love this dip so much. thing I will say about Moon Valley is it's not the easiest to apply, especially if you're a beginner. I even struggled with it quite a bit. So really what I discovered was the easiest way to apply it was to dip it in the white, kind of apply a couple layers of white, and then just pick up the pieces of the cherry blossom with tweezers, and then apply some base to my nail and just kind of settle them in settle the pieces of cherry blossom on top of the wet dip base. And I just felt like that was probably the easiest way for me to really get the perfect placement of where I wanted the cherry blossom petals to lie. One other thing that I just love about Everly Nails is that she is from Colorado, and she names her dips, or a lot of her dips, from areas around Colorado that she loves. So, for example, there is one that I will be using in an upcoming video called Rosita, and Rosita is the area that I live in, and it's a small, teeny tiny community. So the fact that she named a dip from my teeny tiny corner of the world is just so special. So it's actually a glow. I'll show you it in the future, but it's because she had like a Halloween set named after ghost towns, and Rosita is actually a former ghost town, and now it's kind of become a little bit of a small community. And I don't know, it just is special to me. So obviously I got Rosita. She actually sent me Rosita for free. I'm telling you, she is super generous, and you won't be disappointed if you order some dips from her. So obviously I'm not really talking much about the mani itself, so if you have any questions at all, please let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely do my best to answer. And yeah, I just hope that you guys have gotten to the point now where you know the gist, you know the steps. If you don't know them, let me know. I will definitely go slower next time. And here is the finished mani. Isn't it so pretty? I know that the Jessa color isn't like the springiest of colors, but I just felt like it went so well with Moon Valley, and it just kind of pulled the pinks out of the dip. And I'm obsessed with these colors together. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below. Subscribe if you haven't, and thank you to those of you who already are and are returning subscribers. Love having you here. So I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.